Friends, computer experts, कंप्यूटर एंड इंजीनियरिंग के छात्र और अन्य इंजीनियर्स, आपको कंप्यूटर गुरुज वीके जैन की कंप्यूटर आईटी क्लासेस के लिए आपका स्वागत। इस पर्टिकुलर मॉड्यूल में तो मैं सबसे पहले आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस की बात करूंगा। आपको वैसे बता दूं कि मेरी आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस पर पुस्तक छपी हुई है खन्ना पब्लिशर के थ्रू। और अब जो मैं आपको बताने जा रहा हूँ वो उसके बाद का मैटर है। दोस्तों, while making while using chatbots, people started making um, good photos, good and different type of photos in different type of poses, and converting themselves with actors and all that. This type of things were being made through ChatGPT, and most of the students use ChatGPT for their courseware learning this one. First, let me tell you that there are thousands of chatbots available, but the most important 10, 8 number chatbots are given in this slide, out of which ChatGPT was brought by OpenAI, and currently ChatGPT alone shares 80% market. Cloud, Anthropic made by Anthropic, and Gemini made by Google. Copilot made by Microsoft. Perplexity, per, per, Perplexity AI, Grok, what Elon Musk promoted. Meta AI, Facebook or through Facebook or Instagram or WhatsApp. Meta AI. Then DeepSeek was first launched in China even earlier than ChatGPT, but it is now on 8th position. Friends, in year 2026, currently, artificial intelligence has shifted from experimental chatbots to autonomous um, agentic systems that plan, reason, and execute multi-step tasks, acting as a digital co-worker. Key trends include specialized domestic specific models used in healthcare and finance over general AI, on general AI intelligence for better privacy and AI's integration into physical robotics. Uh, Friends, major AI trends in 2026. The first one is agentic AI. AI has evolved from generating text to completing end-to-end workflows independently, such as autonomous procurement, customer service resolution, and complex data analysis. Second, specialized small language models (SLMs). Rather than one massive model, Industries are adopting smaller domain-specific models tailored for precision in fields like medicines and law, physical AI and robotics. AI is bridging the digital physical divide, enhancing autonomous vehicles, industrial Internet of Things, and robotic automation. Friends, I would like to tell you that I have already written a book on robotics and these books are published Internet of the Thing and robotic automation on device AI. AI models run directly on smartphones and local devices, offering higher privacy and lower latency. Now, little on how a computer science and engineering student can earn through OpenAI, through artificial intelligence. So, top earning avenues of CSE graduates 2026. First is AI engineering oblique development, designing and deploying machine learning models, creating intelligent automation, and working on agentic systems that handle research and project development. Second, generative AI and data engineering, creating specialized Gen AI applications and building infrastructure to manage data for AI, which is critical for companies upgrading to AI native systems. Once again, for students, high demand roles. AI engineer focuses on AI systems and automation. Data scientist or engineer converts raw data into usable information. Machine learning, machine learning ML engineer builds, tests, and deploys models. Freelancing and entrepreneurship, developing niche AI tools for research, marketing, or custom business solutions using no code or low code AI tools or custom scripts. Now, friends, will let you know projected earning in India entry level, that means first 0 to 2 years, a person can earn 6 to 12 lakh per annum. A person who has acquired mid-level skill working through AI for 3 to 6 years can earn 12 to 25 lakh per annum. And senior level, the person having experience of 7 plus years can go as high as rupees 25 to 50 lakhs per annum. Essential skills required in 2026 to maximize earning, focus on mastery of Python, deep learning frameworks, that is TensorFlow or PyTorch, cloud AI services, AWS, GCP or Azure, and Agentic. You have to learn all this. You have to master. Friends, I will be discussing now top skills through which you can increase your AI salary as of 2026. First one is Python programming. It is most important skill for AI and ML machine learning jobs. It is used for data handling, model building, automation. Python is easy to learn and required everywhere. Fourth, strong Python is equal to higher salary. Second skill is through machine learning. It helps you build models that learn from data. Companies need machine learning for predictive automation analytics. Third, knowledge of algorithm gives you better roles. Fourth, machine learning skill increase salary quickly. Friends, I will let you know that my book on machine learning is already in field. You can search and purchase this. This gives a lot on Python programming also. Deep learning is used for image, speech and advanced AI tasks. Important for computer vision, NLP and LLMs tools, TensorFlow and PyTorch. It is in high demand and therefore high salary. Deep learning. Uh, 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 there is already one book on deep learning from me. You can search and purchase. Friends, the next skill that you can acquire is generative AI, in short known as Gen AI. This is now biggest skill for 2026. Work for LLM, chatbots, text generation, AI apps. Tools are GPT, Llama, Hugging Face, LangChain. Roles like prompt engineer and Gen AI developer pay more. Gen AI skills offer top salaries. Next skill is natural language processing, in short known as NLP, needed for chatbots, voice assistants, text AI tools. Companies need NLP for customer service automation. High demand in finance, e-commerce, and telecommunications sectors. NLP specialists earn high packages. The last is computer vision CV, used for images, videos, face recognition, object detection. Important in robotics, medical tech, security. Tools, OpenCV, YOLO. CV skills increase salary in deep tech companies. Friends, this particular and next chart shows AI comparison table among three different companies, that is ChatGPT, Gemini, and Cloud. ChatGPT came through OpenAI, Gemini through Google, and Cloud through Anthropic. The main strength of ChatGPT is balanced and versatile, whereas Gemini is strong with Google ecosystem and Cloud best for reasoning and safety. Accuracy. Uh, the As far as accuracy is concerned, ChatGPT has 4.5, Gemini once again 4.5, but Anthropic 5 star. Similarly, in coding, ChatGPT gave 5 star, whereas the other two are 4.5 star. So coding is very strong in case of ChatGPT. Reasoning logic, the cloud is on top, whereas the other two are having 4.5. Creativity, ChatGPT gets 5 star, whereas other two are getting 4.5. Friends, this is the next chart to the previous, and it also compares ChatGPT versus Gemini versus Friday. I need not tell you from which company they emerged. The feature of multimodal image, ChatGPT, yes, advanced. Gemini, yes, very strong, especially video. And Claude is limited but improving. Real-time data, ChatGPT takes limited. Gemini has got strong, and Claude has got moderate. Best use cases. Now this is very important. ChatGPT is recommended for study, coding, writing, general use. Gemini is to be used for research work and limited to Google Labs. Claude deep thinking, long documents. Friends, thank you for continuously and meaningfully watching this presentation. Thanks once again from Engineer of Education.